In the highly sought-after district of Hunters Creek, minutes from the heart of the vibrant city of Houston, Texas, lies a stunning residence which defines elegance and luxury. Backing onto Buffalo Bayou and designed by the renowned Robert Dame, it exudes quality and grandeur from its elegant French Normandy-style stone architecture. Immaculate professional landscape leads you to the imposing front doors and into a home of extraordinary sophistication and style. The elaborate two-story entrance foyer is wrapped in a sweeping staircase and flanked by the beautiful formal dining room, perfect for important entertaining, and the wonderful climate-controlled wine cellar. Through large archways, you pass the powder room and elevator before you reach the stunning living room. Centered around a huge two-sided fireplace and lit by a wall of windows, it flows effortlessly into the gourmet kitchen and the heart of the home. With exposed beam ceilings, custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances, it combines character with professional efficiency. It shares a space with a casual dining area with door to the patio, a social seating area in front of the fireplace, and a butler's bar connecting to the dining room. The ground floor master bedroom suite is an exquisite private retreat with a large bright bedroom, magnificent bathroom, and his and hers closets with dressing area. As you head to the second floor, you find the ultimate work-from-home executive office and library, with cathedral ceiling and custom cabinetry of the finest quality, which is overlooked by a library loft with a hand-forged wrought iron railing. The residence includes an unparalleled opportunity for entertainment, with a wood-panelled games room featuring games table, seating area, and fully equipped bar, and leads into an incredible soundproofed theatre room. The floor is complete with a fitness studio and the remaining 4 bedroom suites. To fully take advantage of the warm Texan climate, the rear yard offers a custom loggia with fireplace, outdoor grill and beam cathedral ceiling, leading to a private swimming pool with views over the bayou. In one of the most prestigious neighborhoods of the city and delivering unrivaled charm and breathtaking quality, this luxury residence boasts the perfect Houstonian lifestyle.